Today is 16 May, and people were inboxing me, trying to understand why would ZANU-PF kill Tondera Indira. Ndiriboate tashile muri sei mdara magwaza zviri kubatana here. So you find out that a lot of things have been said about Tonde. Some people without knowledge of who Tondera Indira was. Some people were accusing Tondera Indira of having beaten Trudy Stevenson. And I've read from the internet a lot of rubbish that was written about Tondera. So it's very unfortunate that some of the things said by Zimbabweans are the things said by people who do not know Tondera Indira, who have never in their lives come in contact with Tonde, who have never in their lives sat down with Tondera Indira and discuss anything political with him. So I don't understand these internet people. Let me them internet people, because these people, they just talk nonsense. They don't know who Tondera Indira was. They've never come in contact with Tonde. They've never even held a conversation with Tonde. Most of the people who are writing rubbish on social media, they are people who started knowing Tondera Indira when he died. And everything that they wrote are hearsay information. They've never been with Tonde. So those type of people talking about Tondera Indira, whom they don't know, whom they've never even spoke to in a day when he was alive, they are the people who write nonsense on the internet. I wish they knew Tondera Indira. He is the person I've met in my life who I can say could hardly even squash an auntie. So this is the character of Tondera Indira. I've listened to speakers during the commemoration day, different speakers, the guys that Tonde spent time in prison with, who were close to him. I've listened to Honorable James Chidakwa, who was close to him. I've listened to his young brother, Barnabas Indira. Unfortunately, I did not see Cosmas, who is the elder brother. So I want people to understand what character Tondera Indira was. Don't listen to internet journalists, people who do not know Tondera Indira. Some were miles away when Tonde was murdered. Some were already in England. Some were already in America. Some were already in Australia. They don't understand the dynamics of our politics during that time. So people definitely, Van Vanoziva Tondera Indira would agree with me here. I have been with the Tonde for quite some time. To me, he was like a young brother. He was like a young brother. Because where you find Tonde, you find Shepherd Yuda. Where you find Tonde, you find Barnabas Indira. Where you find Tonde, you find Honorable James Chidakwa. Where you find Tondera Indira, you find Enias Chikengeja. Where you find Tondera Indira, you find the likes of Chigubu. You find the likes of Joshua Bakacheza. Those were the guys who were close. I'm not limiting the number of people who were close to Tondera Indira, but I am saying people who were around him always. If you wanted to call him Sage, Jirise, Muripapi, Murgite, Toitase, and Urwana, he's someone that every person in MDC relied upon. So people who were writing nonsense, Tondera Indira beat Stevenson, Tondera Indira did this and that, Tondera did this and that. If you see all the arrests that Tondera Indira was made, he had no conviction. To tell you that he never committed crimes. He was not a criminal. He was a freedom fighter. And people must know the difference between a political insinuated arrests. People don't understand when we talk. But I'm glad to those who want to learn, who would ask questions. Who was Tondera Indira Shepherd? Why is the whole world crying? It's not about Shepherd Yude crying. It's about the whole world, the rest of the world. They've joined the Zimbabweans in the commemoration of Tondera Indira. If you go to America, they talk about Tondera Indira. If you go to Australia, they talk about Tondera Indira. You come to UK, they talk about Tondera Indira. So there is something, a missing link. There's a gap in your knowledge when you write rubbish about Tondera Indira. There is obviously a gap.